Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm going to show you how to make delicious teriyaki glazed salmon. This recipe is really good. I'm going to show you two different ways of making this recipe. We're going to make it in the microwave and we're also going to make it in the oven. That way you have two options. The microwave that I used was sent to me by Panasonic. This is Panasonic's microwave and FlashXpress broiler. So it has a broiler function that cooks food fast and crispy browned. They also sponsored this video, so thank you so much to Panasonic for covering all the expenses. Let's get started. Alright you guys, we're going to start by making the teriyaki marinade for the salmon. In my bowl, I have 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Into that, I'm adding 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, half a cup of brown sugar, 5 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of white vinegar, 2 teaspoons of crushed ginger, and 2 cloves of crushed garlic. Go ahead and mix everything together, and that's it for your teriyaki sauce. Don't forget you guys, I'm gonna leave all the ingredients and measurements in the description box. Next, you're going to grab your salmon. I'm using 3 pounds of salmon. I'm going to pour my teriyaki marinade all over the salmon. Then you're going to let the marinade sit on the fish for 1 hour. That way the fish can soak in all the flavors. After the fish has marinated for 1 hour, I'm going to divide them. So I'm going to put 2 on a separate plate. That way I can show you how to cook them in my Panasonic microwave, and the other 2 in the baking pan, I'm going to show you how to cook them in the oven. Okay, so we're going to start with the microwave version first. This is my Panasonic microwave. I'm gonna leave a link below if you guys are interested. It has a unique FlashXpress broiler that allows you to cook food fast and gives it a crispy brown texture. I'm going to place my marinated salmon onto the broiler rack that comes with the microwave. It has so many unique functions. I'm going to use the broiler function to broil the salmon for 10 minutes. The microwave uses 1000-watt power and an inverter heating technology to cook the food fast. After 10 minutes, the salmon is nice and cooked through. It smells amazing. I really love the color on the salmon, and there aren't any annoying hot spots because the microwave cooks the food evenly. I'm gonna show you more recipes that I've made with the microwave later in the video, but for now, let me show you how to cook the salmon in the oven. I already set my oven to broil. I'm going to place the other 2 of my salmon onto the second rack and broil them for 15 minutes. But after 10 minutes, you're going to take out your fish and baste them. After basting, you're going to put them back to finish broiling. And this is what they look like when they're done. They look amazing and they smell so good. I went ahead and plated them. This is the one I made in the microwave, and these 2 I made in the oven. I wanted to put them side by side so I could compare them. They all look really good. I'm going to pour my sauce all over the fish. This recipe goes really well with rice, so make sure you have your rice available. I'm going to compare the taste. I'm tasting the one I made in the oven first. As usual, it tasted really good. The salmon just melts in your mouth. The microwaved version is just as delicious. This is such a great recipe, and I'm highly impressed by how Panasonic's microwave can broil raw food so good like that. Don't forget to check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements if you would like to make this recipe. Okay, so now that we're done with this recipe, I'm going to show you more recipes that I've made with my Panasonic microwave. I'm going to grill some corn in the microwave. I just put some oil on them and I seasoned with salt and pepper. I just want to show you some more functions on the microwave. It has the sensor cook and reheat button that cooks food really well and evenly with just a touch of a button. I'm using the grill function to grill the corn for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, look at that color in the corn. I love how crispy brown they look, and they're not soggy at all. They're perfectly cooked. The next recipe we're making is Macaroni Gratin, and I found this recipe on this app called Drop. Panasonic has a partnership with this app to provide amazing recipes you can make in this microwave. The teriyaki salmon I just made can also be found here. I just tweaked the recipe a little to suit my taste. I'm gonna leave a link to this app below. Keep in mind that this app doesn't operate the microwave in any way. It's just to show you convenient recipes you can make with the microwave. So to make this macaroni gratin, we're going to add some oven-ready macaroni into a baking pan. Then you're going to add your favorite cheese. I'm using cheddar cheese. Top it with some more macaroni. Then you're going to add a mixture of eggs and milk. Sprinkle with some more cheese. Then I'm going to place this into my Panasonic microwave. Then use the FlashXpress broiler to broil this for 10 minutes. And this is what it looks like, nice and crispy brown. I absolutely love this microwave. Once the cooking is done, the interior is very easy to clean. I'm going to leave all details about this microwave in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!